Hey guys, Cary from Byrider Madison. Just wanted to go over a quick video with you, kind of going over test drives, what's important, things like that. Obviously, there's some things that you want to make sure that you're doing on the test drive. Biggest thing is just driving it under certain conditions. Here at our dealership, I always have my customers take the vehicle out a little bit off of High Crossing to 151. So you get that surface level driving. I have them kind of take a swing around Sun Prairie and then come back on 151 to East Washington Avenue. You get kind of all around, how you would drive. So whether that's in the city, surface streets, as well as on the highway, and kind of getting up to those highway interstate speeds. Really important, you want to hear how the vehicle sounds, so turning down the radio when you're driving, so hearing all the sounds that you would hear in a vehicle, making sure it shifts right. Making sure things don't sound out of the ordinary or smell out of the ordinary, things like that. So real important to kind of go over that when you're taking that test drive. When you get back from it, kind of just doing a once over in the vehicle, making sure your tires are good. Probably want to do that before the drive, but hopefully your salesperson should make sure that too, though. Don't salespeople out there, do not let your customers go out on test drives with low tires. Not good. But yeah, just kind of doing a once over, popping the hood, just kind of taking a look at things, checking underneath as well. So one thing I will say about our vehicles, they're all ASE certified mechanic inspected. We go through these vehicles, we make sure that they are safe for the road, but definitely go through your own checks. You're the one driving the vehicle, it's your vehicle, so you want to make sure it's right for you. But yeah, just some tips on test drives. Take care, have a good night.